Welcome back and thank you for watching our Autobelay training video. This video demonstrates proper use and risks associated with using Autobelays. After watching, you'll complete a short acknowledgement form confirming you understand the training, potential risks, as well as agree to ask any questions before climbing on Autobelays. You will then join a staff member to demonstrate the required safety checks and perform a short practice fall. Once completed, you'll receive your Autobelay certification tag, which must be visible whenever using Autobelays. Autobelays are devices that automatically control your rope as you climb and lower you when you fall. They are marked by colored rectangle flags called belay gates, which cover starting grips and remind you to clip in. Also in our rope climbing area are top ropes, which require 2 climbers, additional training, and a DYNO Detroit certification. Top ropes are not Autobelays. Using them without training can result in injury or death. Autobelays are simple and fun to use, but human error, mainly forgetting to clip in or clipping incorrectly, can lead to serious injury or death. To reduce the risk of Autobelay accidents, always complete the following 4 checks before climbing. These checks have been printed on each belay gate for your reference. Check 1. Harness fits tight above hips with key link installed. Harnesses must be tight and above hip bones to prevent flipping and possibly falling out of the harness. If you have any questions about harness fit or take off your harness for any reason, please ask a staff member for help. A metal key link provided by DYNO Detroit is required for Autobelay climbing. Rental harnesses have key links permanently installed, while climbers using personal harnesses must check out a key link from the welcome desk. Tampering with or removing key links without assistance from a staff member is strictly prohibited and may result in loss of Autobelay privileges. Check 2. Test retraction before clipping in and before each ascent. Before clipping in, pull down on the belay gate to ensure proper retraction. If repeating a climb, check for retraction before each following ascent. If the Autobelay doesn't retract, do not climb and notify a staff member immediately. If the Autobelay stops retracting for any reason while connected, stop climbing. If there is little to no slack in the line, apply your body weight onto the rope and the Autobelay will descend. Notify a staff member immediately upon returning to the ground. Check 3. Insert harness key link into empty slot. Pull down on key link to connect climber and eject belay gate. Insert your key link into the empty slot and pull down to connect to the Autobelay. The belay gate will release only when the climber is properly connected. Once connected, the system locks and will only unlock with another key link. Pro tip: squeezing the blue buttons and performing a short sitting motion will help connect your key link to the Autobelay. When finished climbing, reverse this process by inserting the belay gate into the empty slot and pulling down. Transferring Autobelays between climbers is permitted so long as all climbers are Autobelay certified and all safety checks are performed before climbing. Check 4. Try sliding the key link out of the slot. If properly connected, it will remain locked. You have now completed your 4 safety checks and may proceed to climb. By always completing these 4 safety checks, we can significantly reduce the risk of Autobelay accidents due to human error. Now let's cover how to lower down from an Autobelay. Letting go may feel strange at first, but once you fully release the wall, the Autobelay will catch and gently lower you down. Do not squat or pull the rope before letting go, as it will only increase the distance of your fall. Once you are ready to lower, find a comfortable position, pause, and take a deep breath. Now stand tall, grasp the blue section of rope with one hand, and release the wall. Everything else will happen automatically. For beginners, we suggest landing on your bottom to avoid stumbling backwards off the mats. Lastly, some final rules. Each Autobelay has at least 2 color-coded climbs. Only climb routes that finish directly under the Autobelay device, as climbing off-route can result in a dangerous swing. Children 13 and under require assistance clipping in and out of Autobelays by an Autobelay certified or Autobelay supervisor adult, age 18 or older. Children 14 and older may climb independently after completing the Autobelay training. Only one earbud is allowed on Autobelays. Over-ear headphones or dual earbuds are not permitted. Minimum weight, 22 pounds. Maximum weight, 300 pounds. Route difficulty starts at 5.7, most beginner-friendly, and increases to 5.12, most challenging. seek out grades 5.7, 8, or 9 if you're a new climber. Lastly, should you become stranded or feel distressed on the wall for any reason, you may climb down if you're able to, or find as secure of a position as possible and signal to our floor supervising staff for help. By always completing these 4 checks and following our facility rules, we greatly reduce the risk of Autobelay accidents and ensure Autobelays remain an accessible tool for all climbers. You may now complete the acknowledgement form and then visit a staff member to demonstrate your checks and practice fall. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Have fun and climb responsibly.